Hey, good morning, everybody. Uh, this is Orr here over in Surprise, Arizona, outside of there. Um, this is grow number 11. I call it my Crazy Girl grow number 11. I've been using this setup 11 times. It's a Mars Hydro TSW 2000, which is 300 watts. I've got your normal shit, the um, air filters. That is the exit of a 14,000 BTU AC unit, which I'm going to have to turn on. Humidity is really low, so it's hard to keep the humidity up in here. It's going to be 93 tomorrow and Friday, so it's going to be probably 80, 88 or so today. Anyhow, there you have that. And these are all crazy girls or crazy black girls. There's a crazy girl Pheno 2. There's a Pheno 1. And crazy black girl back here. I had that other one growing because I wasn't sure if this tall, lanky one, I don't know if I can't see what I'm looking at here, was going to make it. And then crazy black girl here. That's a nice looking plant right there. They're all good looking. But look, there's the crazy girl 1, and there's a crazy girl, black girl. And this plant right here is a cross between this crazy girl 1 and another plant, Sirius Black, and that's what you get, crazy black girls. It's nice to see that a lot of people are growing these because you'll find that I germinate my seeds in water. There's almost 100% germination rate on the seeds that I have germinated in water, and I planted some of those outside, and some are right here. Um, Last grow, I broke one of those crazy girls. I didn't break it. I don't know what happened. Hey, ran out of storage, ran out of space. I had to go back and see where I was at. I was talking about that right there. I use it to hang the little probe that Bluetooth Govee, made by Govee. They do a lot of shit. Anyhow, there you go. Crazy Girl 2. I'm a little concerned about that. That little one has a little yellow as it's coming out. It's a light color green. Hopefully it's not some freaking thing. I'll tell you what, this I should call it kind of semi-experimental. These are uh, the pots without the root balls in them from last grow. I topped it off with new soil. We'll see what happens. When I pulled out, I made a mistake. Fortunately, it wasn't close enough to this one, but 2 or 3 days ago, whenever I thinned the crop out, I pulled one by the roots, and it's down there somewhere. I'll be damned. There was probably 2 inches of roots off that little one. So from then on out, I'm not going to do that shit. Maybe, I just snip them right at the ground level. Well, we'll see what happens here, but yeah, this is day 5 of week 1. I measure that time as when they get their second true leaves. I guess that is, they're not yeah. Whenever I see them like this, these are all new. Yeah, I really like that. And like I said, probably the germination rate on these things, I germinate them in water, is amazing. All right, enough said. I'm back. Hell, I'll be looking for anything to make videos. I'm hooked on this shit. I know you guys aren't. Haha, yeah, right. You bunch of. All right. Yeah, you guys have a good day out there, because I am. Gonna be hot tomorrow, and let's see, what else do I need to say? Not a whole lot. Hey, grow on, guys. Stay lifted, elevated, stoned, high, whatever you want to call it, to let you get going there. It is the one drug, whoops, the D word, that you can function quite nicely on. In fact, you can function probably better. I can. So, yeah. Hey, stay stoned. Later, guys. Whoa. An old man just told me something. Now I can't say it. Later.